Okay, thank you. First of all, I want to say that I'm not so happy with the current situation. We are 45 minutes away from our training speech. So that means that, like yesterday, we were more than 3 hours away to have training. 45 minutes to drive, 1 hour, 50 minutes training, and another 45 minutes to drive. No, it doesn't make me happy, such things. And certainly not that, if my information is right, Cameroon and we have to train in the base camp of Morocco, our next opponent. I don't understand that CAF allowed that. But okay, I have to say that because it makes me unhappy.